I want to begin today's video with a quote from one of the best investors that has ever lived, Warren Buffett. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This quote is especially relevant right now to the Shib market, and throughout this video you will see that the experienced traders are doing exactly that. From the Ethereum whales, we have seen a huge surge in their holdings for Shib. We are now sitting at 1.6 billion at 20.14% from the ERC20 token holdings. On the official Robinhood Instagram profile, we can see that Robinhood is posting and teasing Shib on their Instagram story. And potential partnership with Amazon is now picking up steam. And all we have to do as Shib supporters is we have to hodl. I'm going to go through that and more, and how this is going to be an opportunity for the rest of us who is still holding. We'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber to kickstart their crypto journey. To enter this giveaway, simply like and subscribe and comment your favorite crypto in the comments below. I have only seen more whales buy the dip the week before Shib really rallied, but now we're seeing a same pattern again. Mysterious whale buys 750 million worth of Shiba Inu in the last 10 days. And on top of all of this, we have today, Ethereum whale Light bought 2.8 million USD. And we have just whales coming in one after the other. Ethereum whale Tsunade bought $4.3 million of Shib. Right now we're seeing the whales really racking up Shib. Right now we're seeing Shib occupying 20.14% of their ERC20 token holdings, valued at $1.6 billion, which was a lot higher from memory compared to what we saw a couple days ago when it was sitting at roughly 10% or lower. And this aggressive change in holdings probably has to do with the speculation of new listings. We have Justin Robinhood is teasing Shib on their Instagram story. In this particular Instagram story, Robinhood has the mention of Shib in one of its posts, but more importantly, the hashtag Robinhood Learn slide here is pretty much the entire Shib mission explained. If you guys have read the Shib white paper, it essentially emphasizes on the community-driven aspect of cryptocurrency. And in the very first paragraph here, a cryptocurrency is only as strong as, you guessed it, its community, the stakeholders who maintain, issue, trade, and perhaps regulate it. Robinhood is an important piece of the puzzle for Shib because Robinhood has roughly over 30 million users on its platform. And Shib has only recently hit 900,000 holders. So having Shib on Robinhood is going to be a huge exposure platform, and we're going to get a huge surplus of users for Shib. And we already know Robinhood is going in the direction of listing additional cryptocurrencies. Tweet here by David, I want Robinhood to list a lot of cryptocurrencies, but Shib probably going to be the first, which isn't bad, it will lead to others. Now, before we move on, you can support your favorite crypto projects such as Shib, Ethereum, and more by getting your own physical crypto coin to add to your collection. You can find a link in the description. And now, speaking of leading the way, we might be in a position to have Amazon have Shib on the platform, or Amazon accepts Shib tweets now payments. But this is not actually a fluff tweet. 3 Shib petitions for Amazon adoption gains 173,000 signatures. If you guys are new to this, you might not know that the listing on Coinbase and previous exchanges came as a result of these change.org petitions. And they do indeed have an impact, and it's not all just fluff. Elon Musk has no Shib, but Jeff Bezos will start accepting Shib as Amazon payments soon. Now, I don't know if this is a statement or a personal opinion, but as far as I know, this has yet to happen. Now, jumping over to the one-day chart to have a quick look at Shib, we can see that across the whole market, Shib is probably the one that has recovered the most, where the rest of the market is currently a bit down. So Shib broke down from the triangular formation here, and we can see it sort of bottoming out at this particular level around the 5,000 level, and we saw a bounce off this level for a little bit. This little bounce tells me that there's still potentially a lot of interest willing to pick up more Shib. And as we've seen previously, we have seen whales pick up a lot of Shib in the recent days, or actually in the last 24 hours. Now, if we zoom into the 1 hour chart to have a closer look, we can see that there are some important levels here available. We have seen a level around the 5,700 mark that the price is sitting around at the moment. So ideally, we want to see Shib range between these levels. So right now I'm eyeing this particular level here, which is around 7,500. And right now these particular levels here, so between 5,500, 5,700 to around 6,000. I want to see Shib consolidate in this particular range here. This is because we want to see consolidation happening. When we see consolidation happening, that means the amount of buyers and sellers are willing to trade more or less around the same price. And this is sort of a fair price of the market that is currently going. And like Warren Buffett has said, we want to remain patient. We want to see Shib consolidate around this area before we see strong catalysts, strong positive news that will propel Shib higher. And certainly we have a lot of those in the background happening in the pipeline. It is churning in the background, but it has yet to be announced. And when we see the announcement, that's when we see the price of Shib move. Anyway, that's all from me. Let me know in the comments what color shirt you think I'll be wearing next video. As always, take care and we'll catch you guys next time.